Rockwell is proud to introduce the new Alligator Rivet installation tool. Faster, quieter, and more consistent installation. Designed to achieve repeatable OEM production quality splices. Speeds up the installation process, saving you time and money. Drastically reduces noise in the shop and on the sales floor. It has a rugged, durable design. It needs very little maintenance. It's the last Alligator Rivet tool your shop will ever need. Even a novice installer can produce OEM quality splices. The new Alligator Rivet installation tool is a tool service technicians will love. Alligator Rivet fastener installation made better, finally.